Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to create an alt account on Discord mobile. Creating an alternate account on Discord can be useful if you want to manage different communities, separate personal and work conversations, or test features. Many users make a second account to keep their main account organized. On mobile, setting up an alternate account is quick and only requires a different email address. And here are the clear steps to clear an alt account on Discord using your mobile phone. First is to open the Discord app, tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner, then click the gear icon in the top right. Scroll down and tap the logout option. Confirm by tapping logout again. On the login screen, tap register. Enter a different email address. Take note that you can't use the same email as your main account. Then hit next. Provide a display name, then click next again. Create a new username for your alt account. Set up your preferred or strong password. Also enter your date of birth. Make sure it meets Discord's age requirement. Tap continue. Complete the CAPTCHA verification if prompted. Open your email inbox and look for a verification email from Discord. Tap the verify email button inside the message. Return to the Discord app and log in with your new alt account credentials. After creating the alt account, you can go to settings, account switcher, and tap add account and log in with your other account. Now you can switch accounts without logging out. That's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.